My name is Bob Brown, and I'm the Regional Manager for Bruske Products. And today we're going to take a quick look at our polycap brooms and the different handles that we offer for different applications. This is our wood handle, and what I'd like you to take notice of is that the handle screws in to the base of the broom, and it makes contact all the way down here. And we call these polycaps because these are not hollow, they're a solid cap broom. They outlast your corn brooms at least 10 to 1, and what our customers like about them is that we offer different handles for them. This is our solid steel handle, and you'll notice that you can hang it. It goes great on 5S boards. It also works very well in hanging anywhere in your plant or your facility. Very convenient. We also have it in a coated metal handle. The coated metal handle has that same convenient handle hanger on it and is able to be mounted on a 5S board or any other place within the facility that you feel you need to mount it. And then of course we have a fiberglass handle, and what customers like is these are very good for the food service industry because you're going to notice they come in different colors. And the different colors also indicate different type of debris that you're going to use to sweep up off of your floor. Some of these are solid on the bottom, and some of these are what we call flag, which is for a lighter debris and for lighter applications. Thank you.